Hi, first graders. We have been working on opinion writing the last few months. Today we are going to do an opinion pre-write about how we feel about popcorn. So remember that an opinion is the way that you think or the way that you feel. So the first thing you're going to want to do, as always, is get your name on your paper. Then we need an introduction. An introduction is where you state your opinion. How do you feel? So this sentence right here says, I think popcorn is blank. You can put an adjective there. So a word that describes the popcorn. Maybe you think popcorn's yummy or delicious, or maybe you don't like popcorn and you think it's gross, or maybe popcorn is fun to eat. I'm going to go ahead and put yummy. That's what I think of popcorn. Now you just got to eat 1 or 2 bags of popcorn. So what did you think of the popcorn? What are some words that describe the popcorn? So now we're moving on to the middle. This is reasons to support your opinion. So you want to persuade somebody to feel the same way that you do. Why should people like popcorn? Why should people think it's yummy or delicious or not like it? So you are going to write 3 reasons why you think popcorn is whatever you put here, and I put yummy. So reason 1 why I think popcorn is yummy is because you can have different, and I'm kind of running out of room, but I'm going to write it down here, different flavors. Okay, now I'm going to switch colors so that you see. Okay, that's my first reason why I think popcorn is yummy. The second reason I think the popcorn is yummy is because you can eat it with your hands. I think things you can eat with your hands are always better because you don't have to get out of work. And then I need one more reason why I think that popcorn is yummy. And I'm going to say that I think that popcorn is yummy because it is salty. Okay, then the last part to do is a conclusion. Now we've been writing conclusions for our opinion writing since March. So what do we write for a conclusion in our opinion writing? Our sentence frame for our conclusion in opinion writing is that is why I think, and then we're talking about popcorn. Popcorn is, and then the adjective I used was yummy, so I'm going to write yummy. You can definitely write a different word here, and you can have 3 different reasons, but keep this paper out because tomorrow we're going to write an opinion paragraph using this paper. That's all for our opinion writing today. The last task you have to complete today is to do 2 math pages. Awesome work, first graders. Have a good night.